There are days when you wake up feeling completely empty. No motivation, no spark. Just a heavy, silent weight sitting on your chest. And on those days, the idea of taking action feels almost impossible. But here's the truth no one tells you. You don't need to feel full to move forward. You don't need fire in your chest. You don't need inspiration running through your veins. You just need one tiny step. Because action isn't born from motivation. Motivation is born from action. When you feel empty, your mind tries to convince you to wait. Wait until you feel better. Wait until you feel ready. Wait until some spark magically appears. But waiting is the fastest way to stay stuck. So here's what you do instead. You make the smallest possible movement. Something so small your brain can't say no to it. Sit up. Stand. Take one breath. Drink some water. Write one line. Do one push-up. Make one call. Not to finish the task, just to break the stillness. Because the first step is never about progress. It's about reclaiming control. Most people misunderstand emptiness. They think emptiness is weakness. But emptiness is actually a space. A space you can refill with movement, with discipline, with small wins. And each small win creates a ripple effect. One tiny action leads to another, and another. And before you know it, you're moving again. Not because you feel inspired, but because you chose to move anyway. That's real power. Doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like the kind of person who can do it. That's how unstoppable people are made. Not from motivation, from consistency in the absence of it. So the next time you feel completely empty, don't wait for the feeling to go away. Don't wait to feel ready. Don't wait for some magical burst of energy. Start small. Start tiny. Start almost invisibly. But start. And something beautiful will happen. Movement will create momentum. Momentum will create clarity. Clarity will create confidence. And confidence will fill the space that emptiness once occupied. You may not feel full today, but you're not powerless. You're not stuck. You're one small action away from shifting your entire state. And when you learn to take action on empty, you become a person who can take action on any day. That's how progress is built. That's how goals are achieved. And that's how you become unstoppable.